Looking at a 2017 Boston Whaler 15 Super Sport. It's a one-owner boat located in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. The trailer is included, which also has a swing tongue to fit in garages. You can see the boat's got the windshield option. She also has the bimini top option. She has a built-in fuel tank, which was an option. Again, we've got the 60 horsepower 4-stroke engine. By the way, important feature, the engine's got warranty, which is transferable to June of 2023. Just going to try to give you a quick walk around here. Boarding ladder. Give you a quick walk around of the exterior first, and then we'll take a look inside the cockpit. Of course, dolly wheel. Talked about the tongue. The only small damage I see is to the rub rail right here on the forward starboard side. Just a little bit of a nick right here. Got storage underneath forward, which is where the anchor is stowed. Got storage underneath that port side box. Boat's very clean, shows extremely well. Boat's been stored indoors in our dry rack building. So again, 2017 15-foot Boston Whaler Super Sport, located in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Please contact the listing broker with any questions. My name is Mike. My number is 910-620-9903. Again, that's Mike with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, at 910-620-9903. Thank you very much for your interest and for taking the time to watch this video.